Well, hi there. I'm just going to take you through today a typical job board app that we build here at allthetopbananas.com. We've been building apps now for just over 4 years, and we've built quite a few of the job board apps. So this one I'm going to take you through today is CV Libraries. This app's been live since about November 2011, and this is the iPhone app. This app is also available to download on iPad and Android devices. If you'd like to go and test it for yourself, you can find it in any of the relevant stores. So first screen we come to, CV Library, obviously job search. They carry over 60,000 jobs and have approximately about 5 million people registered on their database. So this is the form a job seeker will have to fill in to be able to bring back results matched to what it is they would like to work. So we're going to look for a sales job and location. Now, as a user, I get two choices here. I can type this in, I can type where it is I would like to work, or I can press this smart little button here that will recognise where the phone is and then will populate the location for the user. So it's picked up that we're in Peterborough, and the postcode is PE2, which is actually the start of the postcode of this building that I'm sat in now. Distance, how far am I willing to travel from Peterborough? This is automatically set to 15-mile radius, but we can reduce that to as little as 2, or we can expand it out to anywhere in the UK, or we could do 60 miles. So we'll just set that to 10 at the moment, just for this particular case. Salary, again, we get a choice here. I can have a look at any salary and it will bring back all jobs, or I can select a salary if I know that I want to earn between 25 and 30k, we can just select that. And then the next part we get here, do I want permanent work, do I want a contract job, or do I want a part-time vacancy? So again, we can select any of those. Last bit before we go and search on the jobs is job alerts on. This is probably the most important part of the app for not only the job seeker but for CV Library. So what this means is every time now that CV Library get a new sales job in Peterborough on a salary of 25 to 30k, as long as alerts is switched on, this particular device is now going to be sent a notification to alert me that a new job has become available matched to what I've previously searched for, because as soon as I hit find jobs now, all this data is going to be saved to the history of the device. Yeah, I can go in and I can edit those. So as a job seeker, if I start receiving notifications for jobs and 2 months down the line I don't want to receive those notifications anymore, very simply I just go in, I can delete that notification and I'll stop getting notifications for that job. So it's really good way though for a job seeker to be kept up to date with the latest vacancies as soon as they become available. But it's also a great way for CV Library to get their clients instant response to the adverts, the job adverts, job postings they put up on CV Library, because as soon as those jobs go into the feed, we are sending those notifications out to alert people of those new jobs that are available. So really cool feature. Let's move on now. So let's do that job search. So what's this doing now? It's just going through a XML feed that CV Library had sent through to us. It's the way we work with all job boards. So you send us a job feed via XML, and that's how we populate all the jobs into the app itself. So as you can see here, it's matched sales jobs. We've got the top one here, it's 30k, it's in Cambridgeshire. Let's have a look at that job. So I just simply click on there. It gives me all the details. I can see when the job was posted, who the actual agency is that's posted this on the CV Library job board, and then I can view all the details of the job, so I can read the full job description. I can then got three choices down the bottom here. I can send a link. So if I press send a link, I just simply type in my email address or a friend's email address, and I can send a copy of that link to my friend to alert them that there is a job that I think might be suitable for them. I can save that job. So there we go. That's now saved in my favourites. Or I can apply. Now this is a little bit different. So with the recruitment agency apps, obviously most recruitment agencies aren't going to have millions of people or hundreds of thousands of people registered like some of these job boards do. So because the job boards do have this amount, and especially CV Library, they have nearly 5 million people registered, what we allow the user to do is actually log in using their normal CV Library login details. So all they need to do is enter their email address and their password that they would use on the normal CV Library website, and that allows them to apply directly off the app using all the data that's already saved on the CV Library website. So they're applying in the normal way. This is a fantastic feature for the job seeker and for CV Library because it's allowing them to get a lot of applications. Just so you know, this app, we've just been monitoring it, and from the month of May to the month of July, so 3-month period, CV Library actually had, off the iPhone and Android apps only, just under 35,000 applications. That's job applications, so that's people applying for jobs via the app. So it really is working well, and obviously people are enjoying using that particular feature. So that's basically it. I can just show you there's the favourites, so that's where we would go and shortlist the jobs and put the ones in as a job seeker that I'm most interested in. But that's the app, and that's one we've created for CV Library, so that's a typical kind of job board app that we build. If you're interested in finding out more information or having one of these built for your job board, please just either email mobile@allthetopbananas.com, or you can give us a call on 0844 800 1616. Thanks again for taking the time to look at this video, and we hope to hear from you very soon. Cheers.